Legenia, where I specialize in doing keto and low carb recipes that are quick, easy, and delicious for you and your family. I also do vlogs and product reviews, and today we've got a product review. I am going to be trying out the Cookie Department's newest cookie. This is a keto approved cookie, but not only is it keto approved, it is also gluten-free. So for all of you gluten-free lovers out there, we've got a product here for you that I am going to be trying. I'm going to test my ketone levels before trying the cookie, and then I'm going to test my ketone levels an hour afterwards so we can see if this will affect our ketone levels or not. So let's go ahead and get right on into this product review. All right, let's see where we're at, guys. Okay, right now it is at 0.2. All right, everybody, so the Cookie Department sent me 3 flavors of cookies. The first one is their Champion Chip, which is a chocolate chip cookie. The second one is their Cake Walk, which is a birthday cake cookie with sprinkles. And the third one is their Mint Condition, which is a double chocolate chip mint cookie. All right, so I'm going to be trying one of these because, as we know, we can't sit and indulge in them all. So if we were to have a sweet tooth, we wanted a little something sweet, we would eat one of these cookies. So I'm going to be eating one of them today, and I'm a sucker for a delicious chocolate chip cookie. So I'm going to go with the traditional chocolate chip cookie, and I'm excited to try it. Let me first tell you guys some of the ingredients that are in here because, of course, we want nice, clean ingredients in our food. So, 1, non-GMO. It is soy-free. They are grain-free, corn-free, made with prebiotic fiber, made with grass-fed butter. Some of the ingredients are blanched almond flour, monk fruit sweetener, which is a mixture of erythritol and monk fruit extract, grass-fed butter, dark chocolate chips, heavy cream powder, whole eggs, tapioca powder, less than 3.1% of vegetable glycerin, natural flavoring, salt, xanthan gum, rosemary extract, and baking soda. So the ingredients sound pretty okay to me, okay? Let's look at some of the nutritional facts. The calories are 250 calories. Total fat is 22 grams of fat. Total carbohydrates, 21 grams of total carbohydrates. But listen to this. Dietary fiber is 5 grams. Total sugars, 1. Sugar alcohol, 12. So that makes this one 4 net carbs per cookie, okay? And this is the chocolate chip cookie. Let you guys see that. This is the chocolate chip cookie. And let me show you guys the Cake Walk cookie. All right, now this one, because it's different ingredients in the cookie, let's see what's a little bit different about this one, okay? All of the original ingredients are the same. The blanched flour, the monk fruit sweetener, whole eggs, heavy cream powder, the vegetable glycerin, natural flavored xanthan gum. What's different are the sprinkles that they have on here. They have sprinkles, rosemary extract, baking soda, yeah, everything pretty much seems the same, okay? Pretty much seems the same except for the additives, no chocolate chips, but they do have the sprinkles. This one is 240 calories. It's the same as well. 4 net carbs per serving, 21 grams of carbohydrates, 6 dietary fiber, and 11 sugar alcohol. Okay, and the last one, which is their Mint Condition double chocolate chip plus mint cookie. Let me show you guys that one. All right, so for this one, let's see what the ingredients are on this one. Everything else is the same, non-GMO, soy-free, grain-free, corn-free, all of that good stuff. Again, all of the blanched flour, monk fruit sweetener, all of that's the same, the whole eggs. This one has dark chocolate chips as well. Contains less than 3.1% vegetable glycerin, natural flavoring. Yeah, everything here is pretty much the same, except I think it's just the cocoa powder. Yeah, except for the cocoa powder. That's about it. All right, and this one as well. This one is 3 net carbs per serving, 22 grams of carbohydrates, 240 calories, 21 grams of fat, total sugar 1 gram, and sugar alcohol 12 grams. So that makes this one 3 net carbs per cookie. All right, guys, so let's get right into the cookie tasting. Okay, guys, so we saw where my ketone level is right now. It is at 0.2. All right, so let's go ahead and let's give this a try right now. I'm going to try the traditional chocolate chip cookie. These are soft baked cookies. I'm gonna open the package up and let you guys see what it looks like. Smells good. Smells really good already. I can smell baconess. Okay. This is what the cookie looks like, guys. All right. It is really a soft baked cookie. Okay. All right. It smells really good. Oh yeah. It smells like a chocolate chip cookie. All right. So I'm excited to taste. Let's see what it tastes like. Okay. Wow. Okay. All right, let me say that it tastes really good. You guys know I tasted a chocolate chip cookie from Aldi. I wasn't very pleased with it. This one, I was kind of scared of the dark chocolate chips. They are really, really good. Actually, they are really, really good. Let me let you guys see the inside of the cookie. It really is a soft bake, okay? Wow. That's a good cookie. It's really moist. You can see there's a little bit of butter there on my hands from the cookie. That's definitely helping it to keep its flavor and moisture. The chocolate chips are really good for it to be a dark chocolate chip. Again, as you guys know, I've said in previous videos, I'm not fond of dark chocolate chips. This one is actually really good. The cookie looks really nice and moist on the inside, and it tastes like a good chocolate chip cookie. I mean, wow, I'm really impressed. All right, guys, so I'm gonna finish eating this entire cookie. The time now is 4:04. I'm gonna come back again at 5:04 and test my ketone levels here on camera so we can see if my ketone level has been at all affected by this cookie. But I'm gonna finish this bad boy because it's pretty yummy. Oh yeah. Okay guys, I am back and it's a little over an hour. I got busy cooking and doing some things. So now I'm getting ready to test my ketones. It's been a little over an hour after eating the chocolate chip cookie from the Cookie Department. So I'm getting ready to prick my finger now. And of course, I'm not going to show you guys that part, but all right, let's see where we're at. Okay. All right, actually 0.5. So actually it looks like it's actually gone up. Wow. That's surprising. I'm not mad about it at all, but okay. So it definitely did not lower my ketone levels, which is always a good thing. It looks like it raised it by actually 0.3. And again, it is 5:24 right now, so that's about 20 minutes over the hour because it was 4:04 around the time that I first ate the cookie or finished the cookie about. So, all right, guys, well, there you have it. 0.5. I'm not mad about it. All right, guys, let me go wash my hands and I'll be right back with you. All right, my friends, well, that is it for this video. I must say that I am very pleased with the Cookie Department. I'm very pleased with that chocolate chip cookie. The taste was absolutely delicious, and just the fact that it did not lower my ketones just made it even better. So that was a great cookie. I still have the cakewalk cookie, which is the birthday cake one. Let you guys see it again. That one I still need to try. I'll let you guys know how good that one is. And then I'll also let you guys know how good the mint condition, which is their double chocolate chip plus mint cookie. I am very, very impressed. Guys, these taste delicious. And the good thing is I have a code for you guys. If you go to the Cookie Department's website and type in Sincerely Legenia, you will save 15% off of your first order. So go, guys, to their website, go to the Cookie Department website, order you some of these cookies, and I promise you will not be disappointed. That chocolate chip cookie was magnificent. I will put my coupon code in the description box. Again, you'll get 15% off of your first order. Well, guys, that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for joining me. This was a good one. I hope to see you guys again in the next video. Until the next time, it is my prayer that you and your family have a blessed and a prosperous day. And I'll talk to you in the next video right here on Sincerely Legenia. Bye.